Hi team, let's move on to problem statement number 14. OCR on Hindi handwritten text. You are expected to build a solution that is able to undertake optical character recognition on handwritten text in Hindi language. The result should be the equivalent text typed in Hindi with over 80% accuracy. Please address associated issues such as non-standard ways of writing and poor handwriting. Digitization of Hindi handwritten text, overcoming challenges like poor and non-standard handwriting is the key focus area of this problem statement. OCR or optical character recognition has gained a lot of traction in the last few years and is being increasingly applied to a lot of use cases. There is a huge volume of legacy and current information maintained in hard copy physical documents such as notings made on government files, court judgments, interrogation and investigation reports, police FIRs, disembarkation forms filled by international air passengers, etc. There is immense potential for these paper-based documents to be intelligently digitized. This means going beyond scanning and simply retaining a soft copy to actually converting the scanned copy into searchable and editable documents automatically, without requiring any manual analysis and data entry. Whereas there are several solutions available which do OCR on English content, both typed as well as handwritten, quite well industry capabilities when it comes to analyzing Hindi content, particularly Hindi handwritten text, is yet to mature. Build a solution that is able to undertake accurate OCR on handwritten text in Hindi language. Challenges that arise due to non-standard ways of writing should be overcome. For example, confusion between k and f or bh and m due to poor handwriting. Inconsistent spacing may affect character identification. For example, consider the letter kh and r and v written together without any gap, which may then look like kh. Participants are expected to obtain suitable data required to work on this problem statement on their own. Thank you.